Trying to turn your house into a smooth-running smart home often leads to clunky apps, broken connections, and total frustration. I bought 5 of the top smart home essential appliances on the market so you don't have to waste your cash guessing what actually works. I spent weeks setting them up, testing app integration, and evaluating daily performance. Product number 1. Govee Life Smart Air Purifier out of the box. The matte finish and sleek, compact cylinder design felt sturdy without taking up too much floor space in my bedroom. I set this up right next to my nightstand to test its air cleaning and app connectivity. The setup took less than 2 minutes on my phone, allowing me to set custom schedules and adjust fan speeds right from my bed. My favorite part was syncing it with Alexa. I could literally just say a quick voice command to turn it to night mode without reaching for buttons. It pulled dust and pet dander out of the air quietly, and the built-in aromatherapy tray meant I could drop in lavender oil to make the whole room smell amazing before sleeping. If you want an affordable, voice-controlled air purifier for a bedroom or home office, this little unit is a total winner. If you need massive air clearing power for a larger living room alongside HEPA filtration, check out this next heavy-duty option. Product number 2. KNKA Smart Air Purifier. Lifting the KNKA air purifier, I noticed its substantial, well-built housing and clean touch panel display right on top. It feels like a premium appliance built for serious filtration. I placed this purifier in my open-concept living area to see how it handled kitchen smoke and dust. The pre-filter caught dog hair effortlessly, while the true HEPA filter scrubbed away cooking smells in under 20 minutes. Connecting it to my home network allowed me to check real-time air quality readouts on my phone while away. It automatically kicked into high gear when sensing dust spikes and dropped down to a whisper-quiet sleep mode when the room went dark, keeping the air fresh around the clock without wasting electricity. If you need a high-capacity smart purifier for large rooms and heavy allergies, this model gives you incredible value. Now, if you want total control over your non-smart lamps and appliances, let's look at a smart plug setup that makes automation effortless. Product number 3. Lincoln Smart Matter Plugs. Holding these Lincoln smart plugs, I liked how compact and solid the plastic casing felt in my hand. They're slim enough that plugging one in doesn't block the second wall outlet. I plugged these into my living room lamps and space heater to build a few custom routines. Since they support Matter, setting them up with my existing smart home hub was as simple as scanning a code on the side. My favorite part was setting custom schedules that turned my lights on at sunset and shut off my coffee pot automatically every morning. They responded instantly to voice controls with 0 delay, and monitoring energy usage through the app helped me keep an eye on my electric bill during heavy heater use. If you want an easy, universal way to turn regular lamps and appliances into smart devices, these Matter plugs are fantastic. If you're looking for a similar smart plug setup that offers seamless Apple Home and Matter support out of the box, check out this alternative pack. Product number 4. TP-Link Tapo Matter Smart Plugs. Unboxing the TP-Link Tapo plugs, the smooth white plastic finish and sturdy copper prongs gave them a reassuring, high-quality feel right out of the package. I scattered these 3 plugs around my house to control my desk lighting, fan, and holiday decorations. Linking them to my phone took under 30 seconds, and having full Matter support meant they played nicely with every smart assistant I tested. The auto-off timer was a lifesaver. I set my hair straightener to shut off after 20 minutes, so I never had to worry about leaving it on by accident. The connection stayed rock solid without dropping off my Wi-Fi network once during my testing, making daily voice control super reliable. If you want bulletproof connection reliability and seamless multi-platform control for your home electronics, this 3-pack is well worth picking up. Finally, every smart home needs a central hub on the nightstand, so let's look at a smart display and alarm clock combo. Product number 5. Amazon Echo Spot Smart Alarm Clock. Grabbing the Echo Spot, the curved semi-sphere shape felt delightfully compact, and the smooth front glass display seamlessly blends into the fabric-covered speaker base. I kept this smart clock on my nightstand for a week to handle my morning routines and smart device control. The vibrant display shows the time, weather, and album art clearly without blinding you in a pitch-black room. The sound quality was surprisingly rich for its small size, filling my bedroom with crisp audio when playing music or podcasts. Tapping the top to snooze my morning alarm worked reliably every time, and using my voice to dim my smart lights or adjust the thermostat right before bed made my night routine completely hands-free. If you want a stylish, great-sounding smart clock to control your entire home right from your bedside table, this Echo Spot is a perfect fit. That wraps up my hands-on testing of the best smart home essential appliances on the market. Whether you need smart air purifiers, Matter plugs, or a central bedside clock, there's a great option here. Check out the links in the description below for live prices, and I'll see you next time.